If my eyes only on Snapchat is not working or loading properly, this issue is often caused by glitches, network problems, or outdated app data. Here is how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can stop my eyes only from loading. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. Next, open Snapchat, tap your profile icon, then the gear icon for settings. Scroll down and tap Clear Cache under the Account Actions section and continue. If that doesn't work, update Snapchat from the Google Play Store. Outdated versions may cause performance issues. Also, make sure your device has enough storage space, so as low memory can affect how Snapchat loads private snaps. Finally, restart your phone and reopen the app. If my eyes only still will not load, it could be a temporary server issue. Wait a while and try again later. If the issue continues, contact Snapchat support through the app or website. This should fix most problems with Snapchat's My Eyes Only not loading or not working either. So, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.